pleased to have you here, Pete Hazen.
Yeah.
Tell us briefly just a little bit about yourself. What do you do at Intel?
Oh, you bet. Yeah, I'm the marketing director for Intel's NVM Solutions Group, Non-Volatile Memory Solutions Group, and we've been focused on delivering solid-state drive solutions to the market. We're focused on consumer clients, business clients, as well as data center products. And so Intel has been in the flash memory business for many years. We actually started back in 1986 with our first flash memory products. And in the last 5 years, we've been very focused on bringing NAND flash memory to market in the form of solid-state drive solutions that bring value to computing applications.
Kevin Connolly, you're from SanDisk. We're really pleased to have you here again to talk at the Storage Visions Conference.
It's really a pleasure to be able to come here and talk to the people who are in the industry, looking and creating the next wave of innovation that's driving just this incredible ecosystem.
Data recovery service. Been in business for 28 years. We recover data from any and all devices that you can store data to. Anything from a small flash card to a massive RAID system, enterprise system. We recover your data securely. We are HIPAA and FERPA compliant. Keep everybody safe and secure. We are the best in the business at recovering data.
Hi, my name is Rob Cummins with Tagile Systems, and we're here at Storage Visions showing off our hybrid storage arrays that combine the performance of solid state with the capacity savings on the dollars per gigabyte with spinning disk, and bring that together in a single storage solution that people can use for server virtualization, desktop virtualization, databases, and even file services. It is a unified hybrid device.
Synapse Design, we are a pure play engineering firm. We provide engineering resources for a client base internationally. We can do anything from augmenting your engineering teams, giving you specific people to round out the capability, to actually managing full-scale projects to be executed at one of our many design centers internationally. We've got design centers in North America, Silicon Valley-based company. We've got development facilities in Asia, in China, in Europe, and also in India.
My name is Paul Speciale. I'm Vice President of Products for Amplidata. We are an innovator and a vendor in the object storage space. We've created a system called AmpliStore, which is really designed to store and protect petabytes of data, and more specifically to protect very large-scale unstructured data objects. So these are things like image files, video files, large documents. So anything that's sort of megabytes in size, gigabytes in size, but moreover to protect millions of those files, billions of those files, and to do that at petabyte and multi-petabyte scale.
This year at Storage Visions, showing all our storage products. We are with Toshiba Storage Device business unit, so all your storage needs from the NAND level all the way up to enterprise high-performance SSDs. And you could check us out at Toshiba.com.
Hi, so SanDisk is a flash memory maker. We make solid-state drives, and the reason why we're here at Storage Visions is to debut our new products and our services to not only the retail and OEM industry, but also for the B2B enterprise side.
Because it sounded very good. When you hear people that really present things clearly, the communicators on stage have generally been very good at this conference. Because then, because it makes it understandable. They don't like lose you in a lot of jargon.
You know, a lot of the stuff seems really, this is my impression, I mean, there's always someone trying to sell something, they've got an angle they're coming at, but they're honest. You know, they're trying to put out what it is they think is true.
Yeah, and these people are working in the industry. I mean, I'm really surprised at how good the presentations are. I just sit there listening so intently to every one of them, taking notes.
Hitachi Data Systems is a provider and manufacturer of high-performance storage systems. Our team focuses on the media, communications, and entertainment market. We are announcing that we have just installed our 1,000th customer. That's pretty cool. We sell globally. We sell in over 100 countries, and we primarily focus on post-production houses, movie studios, production houses. We also work with broadcasters, and in addition, we work with telecoms.
So BitCasa actually solves one problem that consumers have, which is the capacity problem. So if you think about, you know, I have a laptop that has a finite amount of storage. I have a cell phone that has a finite amount of storage. So what I do is that I store all of the data that I have in multiple different places. So I've got an external storage device, I've got a bunch of USB sticks, I've got, you know, all these things, and I never know what's where. So what BitCasa does is that we actually create a unified storage platform across all of your devices that is literally infinite. So there's no capacity constraints.
People were able to go out and buy a 1 terabyte drive for $100. But if you wanted to take that same terabyte and put it in the cloud, it could cost anywhere from several hundred to $1,000 to several $1,000s per month. And so we started to look at why was that? You know, what was that cost disparity? Where was it coming from? And it was coming from the need for all cloud storage providers to use centralized infrastructure to store your data. So even though from a user's perspective, they're putting it up in the cloud, it's going to a data center in a server to be stored.
We're going to have Tom talk about a little bit about the conference, starting out the conference, what he's seen, and then based on what's happened this year, what his conclusions are. Tom?
Thank you very much, Dennis. So I'm the organizer of the Storage Visions Conference, and the 2013 conference theme was petabytes are the new terabytes. And basically, during our 12 years of doing this conference, you know, we've seen the demand for storage increase enormously. In fact, 12 years ago when he started it, a terabyte seemed like an awfully large number. Yep. And gigabytes were pretty awesome in themselves, you know. So, but today, you know, 1,000 times that is not uncommon. And so our demand for storage for all things having to do with content, both from capturing it, from editing it, delivering it to other people, archiving it, and then ultimately for consumption and use, it's just driving storage requirements, both in terms of capacity and performance, enormously. And this is leading to new technologies as well as architectures and applications.
What will you wish to all our viewers and to Tom and to his business and to the conference?
Just to enjoy it all and to learn whatever you can from it. I mean, there's so much to learn and to know what these people are thinking of. Sometimes I wonder, who thinks of all this stuff? Who has this power to imagine all these things?